creation for kids.
National symbol of India. National flag. Tiranga. Tiranga is national flag. National animal. Tiger. Tiger is our national animal. National flower. Lotus. Lotus is our national flower. National bird. Peacock. Peacock is our national bird. National fruit. Mango. Mango is our national fruit. National tree. Banyan tree. Banyan tree is our national tree. National aquatic animal. Dolphin. Dolphin is our national aquatic animal. National game. Hockey. Hockey is our national game. National emblem. Ashoka Chakra. Ashoka Chakra is our national emblem. National currency. Indian rupees. Indian rupees is national currency. National river. Ganga. Ganga is our national river. National anthem. Jana Gana Mana. Jana Gana Mana is our national anthem. National song. Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram is our national song. National heritage animal. Elephant. Elephant is our national heritage animal. National reptiles. King Cobra. King Cobra is our national reptiles.
Like, share and subscribe.